In this lesson, let's explore how to use parentheses for grouping in regular expressions. Parentheses allow you to create groups within your regular expressions, opening up more advanced pattern matching possibilities. Parentheses, represented by the open and close parenthesis symbols, are used to create groups in regular expression patterns. Groups allow you to treat multiple characters as a single unit. This becomes very useful when you want to apply quantifiers or alternations to a specific part of your pattern. Let's look at a basic grouping example. The regular expression pattern open parenthesis, ABC, close parenthesis, plus matches one or more occurrences of the sequence ABC. Without the parentheses, the regular expression pattern ABC plus matches AB followed by one or more C characters. Grouping changes the behavior of the plus quantifier. Groups can be combined with alternation, which is the OR operator, denoted by the pipe symbol. The regular expression pattern open parenthesis, CAT, pipe, DOG, close parenthesis matches either CAT or DOG. Another example is the regular expression pattern open parenthesis, RED pipe, BLUE pipe, GREEN, close parenthesis, CAR which matches REDCAR, BLUECAR, or GREENCAR. By default, groups in regular expressions are capturing groups. This means that the matched text within the group is stored for later use. Consider the following regular expression. Open parenthesis \D open curly brace for close parenthesis hyphen, open parenthesis \D, open curly brace 2 close parenthesis hyphen, open parenthesis \D, open curly brace 2 close parenthesis. This pattern could be used to match a date format such as year hyphen month hyphen day. Each set of parentheses captures the matched digits, which can then be used for further processing, like reformatting the date. Sometimes you might want to use parentheses for grouping, but you don't need to capture the matched text. In such cases, you can use non-capturing groups. Here's a comparison. The capturing group open parenthesis, ABC, close parenthesis, plus stores the matched text for later use. In contrast, the non-capturing group open parenthesis ABC, close parenthesis, plus groups the pattern without storing the matched text. Non-capturing groups are useful for improving performance and clarity when you don't need to refer back to the matched group. Regular expressions allow you to nest groups within other groups. This can be useful for creating complex patterns with hierarchical structures. The regular expression pattern open parenthesis, ABC, close parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, DEF, close parenthesis, asterisk, close parenthesis contains nested groups. The outer group is open parenthesis, ABC, close parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, DEF, close parenthesis, asterisk. The inner groups are open parenthesis, ABC, close parenthesis and open parenthesis, DEF, close parenthesis. Nested groups provide a way to organize and capture specific parts of a larger pattern. Let's consider a practical example of how grouping can be used. Email validation. The regular expression open parenthesis A-Z-Z0-9 close parenthesis plus at the rate symbol open parenthesis A-Z-Z0-9 close parenthesis / open parenthesis A-Z-Z open curly brace 2 close curly brace close parenthesis can be used to validate email addresses. The username is captured in group 1. The domain is captured in group 2. The extension is captured in group 3. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.